Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Instagram crashing on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are using Instagram and if it goes back or automatically turns off, which means it is crashing on your iPhone iOS 18. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. So in settings, you have to simply go to general, and after that, you have to scroll it down and you have to click on transfer reset iPhone. So here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next, so you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply click on App Store here. And in App Store, you have to simply search for Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version of the Instagram or that app. So after that, you have to simply open the Instagram again, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to simply go to general and you have to click on iPhone storage. And after that, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Instagram here. So here you have to simply click on that. So here you can simply find the option of offload app. So you have to simply click on that. As you click on offload app, it will be option here to reinstall the app. So you have to simply click on that. And after that, you have to simply check again whether your problem is solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply open your browser and you have to simply search for the Instagram help center, and you have to report that problem to Instagram help center. So here you have to simply make sure that you have report that problem to Instagram help center, and after that you can simply tell them what is the problem with your Instagram. If the problem is on all the Instagram accounts, then they will ask you to wait for some time so that they can solve the problem, because there may be a server error in the Instagram app. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.